Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. We're going to bring down the Troyer Purple Martin Gourd house. We have 8 of those on this pole, and we're going to drill ventilation holes to keep them cool in the hot Carolina summer. First thing we're going to do is take the critter guard off. The critter guard is held in by just a number of screws. And basically it's a piece of aluminum, a sheet of aluminum that's wrapped upon itself. So we're going to take these screws out. There were 5. I dropped one. There are 4 now, but I'm going to replace the one I dropped. And once we unscrew these, it just comes right off. And we're going to leave it off until next year. And to take it off, we just take it off. At this point, we're going to release its connection here to this cleat and lower the house. And here it comes. We're also going to take this part of the critter guard off also. I lowered the top edge of the critter guard. It keeps it in place. And we'll finish lowering the house. And here she comes. So we're going to have it all the way down so we can work on it. All right. And I'm going to secure this line because I don't want to lose this. That would be bad. Let's take a look at these gourds because there's a certain spot that you can drill. There are 4 places on these houses to drill that will maintain its protection from rain. So each gourd has these 4 extrusions here where you can just put a drill in there, drill that out, and we're going to drill all 4 in every house, and that'll allow some more air circulation for our martins. So here's a close-up of that. I'm sorry if there's some wind noise. It's as easy as that. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit, which I think will be fine. You could use something larger if you wish. So there are 4 of these in each gourd house. We're going to drill them all out. Okay, let's do some clean out. You can see I got a mask on just for safety, some gloves. These Troyer gourds are super simple. You've got a large cap that literally just unscrews like that. And then we're going to take out all the nesting material. Wow. There's a lot. I also had some cedar chips in here. So look, we can just tip it on its side. I didn't really expect that. That's pretty good. Martins are not the neatest birds, I'm here to tell you. But they're great. Anyway, that one's cleaned out. Good for next year. Put the cap back on. And then we'll do the other 7. But that's how you do it. Clean them out, dump them out. And if you want to put some cedar chips in there, western red cedar, not aromatic cedar, that's nice for nest building. I always put a handful in each one of these. So thank you for watching Adventures with Dr. Joy. The Troyer gourds are great. These are the starling proof ones. Notice the oval opening. I'd recommend those. Put a critter guard here. Even though we're way out over the lake on this pier, I've seen snakes out here. Snakes are a predator. They will eat baby martins. So a predator guard is a good idea. Consider subscribing. If this was helpful and you like it, click the thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Thank you very much.